you get in front of a judge and the judge decides your case. That's the conventional wisdom. The alternative dispute resolution process means you have taken yourself out of that realm, at least a little bit. And you do that with the advice and input of a lawyer. And in some situations that makes sense. What would that entail? Alternative dispute resolution could mean you are sitting at a restaurant with your spouse. Perhaps both of your lawyers are there. Perhaps both of your lawyers and the husband and wife are sitting in a conference room in an attorney's office. That is a way to settle a case. You must have a couple of things before you engage in this process, before you engage in trying to settle your case. That is, one is you have to have information about yourself, about your spouse. You need to know dollars, cents. There's a custody issue. You need to know custody criteria. You need to have a very good knowledge after talking to your lawyer about what are you trying to get at. What is it that you're trying to settle? Once you have that, then you pick the process. And that one of the process, like I said, could be just meeting.
Another process people probably have heard of is mediation. And what mediation is it's a process where the parties say, okay, we want to try to avoid litigation at the onset. So we've talked about, let's meet with a third party. Now this third party, a lot of times, is an attorney. It may be a retired judge. And they say, let's go into this person's office and we will see if we can resolve our issues between one another with the assistance of this party. Now understand that this third party can't provide legal advice. What they can do, though, is try to help these parties in resolving any issues that they have.